Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to observe how round bottom flask acts as a magnifying glass. Now to demonstrate how curved surfaces act as a magnifying glass, here we have a small activity. Now in this activity, the apparatus which you see is a beaker filled with water and a round bottom flask with a cork. Now in this activity, what are we going to do is, the materials required is round bottom flask, a beaker and a cork to cover the mouth of the round bottom flask. Then we require a textbook or any other picture of the textbook. Now what you need to do is, you need to fill the round bottom flask completely with water and then seal the flask with a cork. Now place this flask over the textbook whose letters are very small, which you cannot see with your naked eye. Now if you place this flask over the book, the letters appears quite enlarged, or you can say they appear magnified. So here you can see this round bottom flask, which is having curved surface, is helping us to magnify the objects. Now in the similar way you can see another example. Now over this leaf there is an ant which appears to be very small in size. If you place a magnifying glass which is having curved surface, you are able to see the magnified version. You can see the ant, the ant which is appearing very big in size, rather than here it is appearing very small, and here through the magnifying glass the ant appears to be big in size. In the same way, if we take another example, here another insect is there. Under the watch glass, or you can say under the magnifying glass, the insect is appearing big. So here through this activity, what do we observe? We observe that letters appear larger when they are viewed through the flask, or when you observe through a curved surface, right? So curved surfaces, if they are filled with water, they act like a magnifying lens. Why do they act like this? Because they bend the light and they make the object appear larger. Did you find this information interesting? And is it helpful to you? Then subscribe our channel, like the video, share with your friends, and wait for some more interesting information from us. Till then, take care.